Interrogation of your oil, where to start? You can actually, start your interrogation right from the receiving of the lubricants. Like many industries, they don't actually check any quality related, information, or they don't even look into this COA, certificate of analysis of the batch for which they have received those, drums. They simply accept it. The stores people will simply accept it as it is, like a, I have ordered 20 drums of ISO VG 32. I've received same. Everything is okay. Then they will pass it. But then possible that, there are several incidents where lubricants, mismatching, names on the lubricant drums, although it is very rare, but still we have encountered over the years. We have still seen, many case studies because of this, lack of, quality control. And sometimes actually what happens, there are some cases where the fresh oils, which they claim it as 150, 220, whatever it is. But then practicality, if you test it, the oil viscosity is not meeting that particular 150 requirements, and which has resulted in, certain, process pumps related, failures in refineries. So therefore, incoming lubricants quality testing, incoming lubricants random testing, ensuring that you have received what you have asked. This is what a simple thing you need to check for. So always lube oil quality related, incoming lubricants. What is the remaining health condition of your lubricant? What type of contaminations are present in your lubricant? What abnormal wear is being generated? Is it a, adhesive wear or abrasive wear or a fatigue wear, or from which component this wear is being generated, from the gears, bearing, shaft, or maybe from the other locations, right? And what is the root cause making this abnormal wear to generate, and what kind of, maintenance intervals to be followed, you know in order to, take up these oil changes, or maybe, any sort of, when there is an excessive loads are there, excessive speeds are there, how to manage the lubrication, in every area of the maintenance. You can always consider, the thorough interrogation of your lubricants.